Hello friends, today's recipe is Malai Ghevar. Our festival season has begun and in this corona crisis, generally we are scared of purchasing sweets from halwais. So here I am with very simple and easy to make recipe, and in just 30 minutes you can make very tasty sweet dish at home. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So first I will show you the ingredients for Ghevar. Besan half tablespoon, solidified ghee 2 tablespoon, cardamom 3, some chopped dry fruits, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, chilled water, milk 1 by 4th cup, maida half cup. Let's begin with Ghevar. In a mixing bowl, take 2 tablespoon ghee, add 1 by 3 cup of chilled water. You can also use ice cubes. Now with electric hand mixer, whisk it till ghee thickens and becomes creamy. Our ghee will turn into white, similar to that of butter. Add 1 by 4th cup of milk and again whisk well. Ghee will come on the top. Now add maida and mix it with spoon. There should be no lump formation. Add half tablespoon of besan and mix well. Then add 1 by 3 cup of chilled water and mix it properly. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and whisk well. Again add 1 by 3 cup of chilled water and whisk vigorously. There should be no lump formation. Our batter should have flowing consistency. We have used in total 1 cup water and 1 by 4th cup of milk. Take oil half the level of pan. Make sure the oil is very hot. Now add 1 spoon of batter. Keep a good distance from oil, approximately 15 cm. When you add batter, it will splatter. Do not fear. Let it subside and again add batter in the center. Remember, the batter should always be kept chilled because this will help us in getting web structure when we pour on hot oil. Pour 7 to 10 times the batter depending on the size of pan. Make hole with spoon. Scrape the sides of the Ghevar and push it in oil. Continue to fry with the help of karchi and oil on the surface so that both the sides are fried. Pull the Ghevar very gently and drain the oil by keeping it on pan stand. You can see we have got such a beautiful honeycomb structure. This is our perfect halwai style Ghevar. Similarly, I will show you the second batch very quickly. Till the Ghevar cools, we will be making sugar syrup. For making sugar syrup, we would be requiring 4 cardamom, 1 cup sugar, pinch of turmeric and 1 by 4th cup of water. Take 1 cup of sugar in a pan, add 1/4 cup water, dissolve the sugar completely. Add cardamom and pinch of turmeric. Boil it for 5 minutes till one string consistency. Our sugar syrup is now ready. Now keep it aside to cool. Now keep both the cooled Ghevar one over the other. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup. It will reach both the Ghevars through the holes. Garnish it with chopped dry fruits and rose petals. For malai ghevar, take rabdi and apply on the top of the ghevar. Apply it evenly. Our rabdi should have thick consistency. Garnish it with chopped dry fruits and rose petals. Try this tasty recipe at home and write me in the comment box how was your ghevar with this recipe. I wish you all happy Teej. Enjoy the festival and share the recipe with your friends and family. See you next time with another tasty recipe.